family. So this is how short Sonia hair was in 2016, and this is her hair now in 2020. I used to use a lot of heat on her hair daily to straighten her hair, and I also didn't know how to take care of her hair. I was using a lot of chemicals on her too. And since 2016, I decided to go natural and use only natural ingredients on her hair and my hair because I was also diagnosed with traction alopecia and alopecia areata. I'm able to grow her hair this long with the help of God and with all my natural ingredients, and I'm also able to grow my hair long and healthy. So in this video, I will be showing you an amazing treatment that you can use for hair growth, for hair health, to stimulate your growth. If you would love to see exactly what all I put together, then please keep on watching. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up. It will really help my video in the YouTube algorithm. Our first ingredient is raw carrots. That is very easy to get. I know many of my ingredients are exotic. It's difficult for you to find it depending in which country you live in. But this ingredient is very easy to access and is very, very effective for hair growth. For the past almost 3 months, I've been using carrot juice, carrot oil regularly on my daughters and myself here, and I have seen a big difference in our hair health and our hair length. So in this video, I will be showing you how I've been making my carrot dip condition. I first just cut my carrot up in smaller pieces, and then I'm going in with 1 cup of distilled water. And then just allow your carrots to boil until it is completely soft. While that is on, I'm going to put that aside, and then we can move to our next ingredient. I love to use fresh aloe vera on our hair because aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, and E. 3 of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cells growth and shining hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. When I'm using fresh aloe vera on my daughter's hair, I love to use only the gel because they complain that it itches them. But when I am using it on my hair, I use both the skin and the gel. And when I also take the gel out from the aloe vera peeling, I do not throw it away. I allow it to dry, and then I blend it into powder. If you would love to see how I make my aloe vera powder from fresh aloe vera plants, I will leave that video down in the description box for you. Now that we got our fresh aloe vera gel, it's time for us to blend it with the rest of our ingredients. Now that our carrots are soft, it is ready. You can turn your stove off and leave it to cool down. After that, just transfer it into your blender. You can also add a little bit of the solution to it. I'm now going in with my ripe banana. Banana are high in potassium. That is why I love to use it on my hair. And then I will just blend that for 1 minute to make space in my blender. After that, I will take it out and go in with my fresh aloe vera gel. After adding in my aloe vera gel, I will blend this for 2 more minutes. I'm now going in with my carrot growth oil that I made. I will also leave that video down in the description box for you. This oil already have all the wonderful ingredients in it and amazing essential oils that are great for hair growth and hair health. So I will be going in with 2 tablespoons of that. Coca-Cola powder is one of the most popular Ayurvedic herbs. It is known to increase hair length and stimulate hair growth. I will be adding in 1 tablespoon. Now that we have all of our amazing, natural, wonderful ingredients together, just give this a good stir. And I will recommend that you apply this on clean hair. So let's go. Let me just show you exactly how I use it on Sonia's hair. The various steps in which that I use to care for Sonia hair and myself, I will leave it on the screen so you can see our routine or our regimen, just in case if you want to create one similar to ours. I first went in with a pre-approved treatment using our carrot growth oil, and then after I rinsed that out and went in with my black soap shampoo. I will leave both videos down in the description box for you. I'm now just applying the deep condition treatment to her hair and her scalp. Carrots are packed with various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, such as vitamin B6, K, potassium, phosphorus. Carrots can help your hair to grow faster and thicker. Conditioning the hair with carrot is also said to improve hair texture, making it shinier, softer, and smoother. Carrots also help to prevent hair fall and hair loss by making the roots stronger at the scalp. Carrot is rich in vitamin C, A, which will make your hair stronger, longer, and thicker. Carrot help in improving blood circulation, which will give your hair the health it needs to prevent the growth of gray hair. They contain a lot of antioxidants along with vitamin C. Carrots also protects the hair and scalp from pollution and harmful UV rays of the sunlight. After applying the treatment to her hair, this is how her hair is looking. Her hair feels extremely soft. So I'm just going to cover it up with a plastic bag, and then I will allow her to sit under the steamer for 20 minutes. After, I will leave the treatment on for an hour, and then I will just rinse it out thoroughly. If you have any leftover particles on your hair because you didn't blend it properly, I will recommend that you go in with a rinse out conditioner. And then after, I just threw her hair into braids using my carrot leave-in conditioner that I will also leave down in the description box for you. My S Secrets Growth Oil, which composed of 21 natural ingredients, and my aloe vera butter. I will also leave that video down in the description box for you. So if you love this video, can you please give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.